Hello everyone, it's Miss Arlene. I'm going to show you how to make this quick and easy grilled cheese sandwich. So my friends, all you need for this recipe is some butter, and we need some sliced bread and just some processed cheese. This is all 3 ingredients for grilled cheese. Okay my friends, so the first thing you want to do, you want to butter 2 slices of bread, one side each. Okay, that's what you want to do. And make sure you get your cheese ready. And all we're using is a sliced cheese, my friends. A sliced cheese. And you place the bread butter side down, and then the cheese on top, and then the other slice of bread with the butter on top. Okay, that's all you're going to do. It's going to take no more than 2 minutes. Children like just plain and simple snacks, simple lunch. They don't want anything fancy. So it doesn't matter if you're cooked from way back when, just make it simple for the children. Okay, so we're going to do this, and what we're looking for is a golden brown on the bottom of it, not burn. The stove is on medium, very low, at 4, if you can see, and so we're just waiting for that to brown up. Okay, so let's do that. Quick, simple, easy snack, easy lunch. 2 minutes, my friends. Let's just check on the back side of the bread. Make sure it's it's a little bit darker, but that's okay. Wonderful. There's it. Nice golden brown. That's what we're looking for. And it is absolutely beautiful. I told you, 2 seconds. Your children are going to love this. Okay, and I mean, you can use any cheese. Sliced cheese is a little bit cheaper to buy. You can also do this with block cheese as well, but as I said, 2 minutes, lunch will be done, or snack will be done, and it's going to be yummy. Okay, so let's just look, and you also want to make sure that, yeah, the cheese is also melted. Okay, I'm going to plate this right now. Less than 5 minutes this took, my friends. About 2 minutes, 1 minute on each side to toast up like this nicely. And we're going to take this off the fire. See the other side? Beautiful. And that's basically it. And we're going to cut this in half. You can make this fancier if you want to, it's up to you. And that's basically how you make a simple grilled cheese. Okay, so here it is, my friends. My grilled cheese is all ready. I've paired it with some salt and vinegar chips and some slices of pickle, and we're gonna have some oat milk with this. And this is all a simple snack for children. Thank you for watching, and remember, just take a deep breath, forget the mess, and let the children play.